Okay, so real quick, this is for Plano, Texas real estate market, 75075. These are the numbers in for March, and these numbers actually came from the Texas Association of Realtors. So I'm going to jump into this report right now. Hey, it's me, Gerald, an active real estate agent and investor since 2007. And I'm sharing with you the report for March 2020. As you can see, we have it selected over here, Collin County. We've got it filtered to 75075. Frequency is monthly, which means the data points there are on a monthly basis. And we also got it filtered down to the single family homes. Now up here, you'll see the median price was $322 for that month. As I hover over, you can see the graph for the little history since 2015. And there towards the end, it's kind of went down just a bit, but not much. So it's kind of stabled out. Closed sales is 33, so it also dipped down just a little bit, but not much. The numbers below this is going to be the percentage from last year. So in other words, this closed sales is 33, which was up from 6.5% last year. The median price was actually almost 4% lower than last year. When I mean last year, it's going to be March 2019. That's what they're getting that number from. The listings we're getting, active listings at the end of the month is 56, which is down about 28% from last year. And months inventory, believe it or not, it's 1.5. And you can see that what it says right there on the number of months it would take for the current inventory to be absorbed. That's not a whole lot of inventory. 1.5 months is not much at all. Right here, you'll have the 12-month moving average. One is for the median price, the other one's for the closed sales. So the median price is just a little bit above the 12-month average, but you can see it took a little dip from last month to this month, from there to here. However, the closed sales it moved up a little bit, so it's moving back closer to the 12-month average. So that means properties are moving. Now you go down here, and this is the graph. The gold is the closed sales for each month. And you can see this is March, and it went down a bit from February. And usually in the springtime, they start climbing up. However, that's not always the case, but usually you can see these high points. These are going to be in the summer. These are usually, I think, around May or June. See, there's June, and August there. September, June. So the summer months are usually the peak time where the number of sales are increasing. Now also this is the median price from month to month from February 2020. It was at 325. So it took just a little bit of a dip, but not much. Now you can see over here to the left, there's the days on the market. It's 53, which is pretty high for Plano. I remember when I first moved here, it was less than 30 days was on the market. But that's 15 days more than March 2019. 29 days to close, which is 4 days more than 2019, and 82 total days. They just take those two numbers and add them in there. This is basically telling you that on the average, it takes a property 82 days by the time they put it on the market, list it for sale, until the time that it closes that sale out with the seller receiving their funds and the buyer moving into that property or having access to that property. Over here, you have the median sales price per square foot, median home size. 1973 is the median year built here in 75075. This is an established neighborhood zip code that I noticed. Who here has been here in the 70s? Well, let me know in the comment section though if you've been here that long. It should be an interesting note if you make a comment down there. I'd appreciate that. Now right here, the original list price, close at the original list price. This is telling us that they're almost getting full price when they list it. So 96.6%. So for every $100,000, it was at $96,600. And then the price distribution up here just kind of gives you no houses were sold in March under 100. Nothing actually was sold below 200, below 199,000. So everything sold above 200, with the majority of it coming in between 300 and 399, and a few that were in 400 to 500 to 750 range. I will also download this report and leave it in the description below if you want a copy of that for your records. So as you can see from this report, the properties are still moving over here in Plano, Texas, 75075. However, due to the recent events here that's happened in mid-March, there are probably a lot of properties that were still in contract, and we'll probably get a better taste for the numbers of what the public is saying when the April report comes out. However, if you look at the Netris with the current market watch, it's still moving. And I'll leave a link to that video up there on top. But in saying that, I know some people are going to be a little bit skeptical, and I understand that about putting their property out on the market. And you shouldn't feel pressured to put your property up for sale if you don't feel comfortable. At the same time, this should give you plenty of time to do some research. And my objective is to provide videos to help people out and make that decision. I got topics covered such as do I need a realtor, listing agreement, survey, real estate option period, and a lot more coming. So take a look around the video channel at your convenience, and always feel free to send me your comments, questions, and or concerns either through the comment section, and call me, text, or send me an email. All right, thanks, and hope you have a blessed day.